This is Dr. Aneil Kkhare, a professional numerologist and Vastu consultant based in Dubai. Our offices are located in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Bahrain, Oman, Qatar, India, London, and various other parts of the world. If your numero chart has a missing number 5, Mercury, the adventure, it means feeling of loneliness, unbalanced behavior, lack of social connections. Remedies for missing number 5 in numerology. Wear green. Incorporate green clothing or accessories into your wardrobe to align with Mercury's vibrancy. Consume green foods. Include green vegetable, herbs, and fruits in your diet to enhance mental clarity and adaptability. Improve communication skills. Engage in activities like public speaking, writing, or networking to enhance self expression. Practice flexibility. Embrace changes and cultivate an adaptable mindset to counteract rigidity. Activate the north direction. Keep the north area of your home or office clean and well lit to invite Mercury's dynamic energy. Engage in quick decision making. Practice thinking on your feet and taking calculated risks to embody the energy of number 5. Travel or explore new experiences. Take short trips or try new activities to stimulate curiosity and spontaneity. Adopt affirmation. Repeat affirmation like I am versatile, communicative, and full of life daily to attract the energy of number 5 into your life. If your numero chart has a missing number 6, Venus, the nurture, it means facing financial problems, relationship issue, away from luxury and impulsive spending. Remedies for missing number 6 in numerology. Wear white, pink, or pastel colors. These colors resonate with Venus energy and promote love, peace, and creativity. Create a harmonious environment. Decorate your home with aesthetically pleasing elements like flowers, art, and soft lighting to promote balance and beauty. Engage in creative activities. Pursue hobbies like painting, music, or dance to express creativity and nurture Venus energy. Strengthen the southeast direction. Keep the southeast area of your home clean and well lit as it associated with Venus. Practice self-care. Pamper yourself with spa treatments, skincare, or relaxation rituals to embrace the nurturing aspect of number 6. Focus on relationships. Dedicate time to improving and nurturing relationships with loved ones. Give and receive love. Engage in acts of kindness and generosity as number 6 emphasizes care and affection.